best way to stay cool this summer is to get on the ice. Chaparral Ice Center summer camps, Camp de Champs and Camp Avalanche offer two amazing options for your summer programming. Learn to skate with Camp de Champs with an emphasis on skating lessons and advanced skating skills. And Camp Avalanche, our general activity-based day camp that stresses fun, field trips, and daily skating. Have the summer they've always dreamed up with your local ice rink, Chaparral Ice Center. Visit chaparralice.com or call 512-252-8500 for more information on everything from camps, learn to skate, to hockey league enrollment.